Artificial intelligence and robotics are automating repetitive tasks, particularly in manufacturing and logistics. This transformation increases the demand for AI and data science skills, leading to a hybrid workforce where humans and AI collaborate across various industries. Ethical considerations in AI include algorithmic bias, where AI systems can perpetuate societal biases found in training data. Transparency and accountability are major challenges due to the, quote, black box problem in AI decision-making. Ethical AI development focuses on fairness, inclusivity, and transparency in design. AI governance involves policies addressing data privacy, security, and the ethical use of AI. Compliance with regulations like GDPR is critical. International collaboration is necessary to establish global AI governance standards. We can also use AI for public good to address challenges like climate change and healthcare. This video explores the digital economy and globalization, focusing on global trade in the digital era. The digital economy facilitates global trade by reducing barriers to entry, enabling SMEs to compete globally, and increasing connectivity for easy communication and trade. Platforms like Amazon and Alibaba offer real-time access, expanding market reach. Digital infrastructure provides analytics, customer support, and essential tools for global trade. E-commerce growth enables global reach, but cross-border logistics face challenges like customs, shipping costs, and delivery times. Localization, including translation and currency adjustments, is key. Reverse logistics, handling international returns, is also a critical component. Digital payment systems like PayPal, Stripe, and Alipay offer global access and enhance trust and security through fraud detection and secure transactions. Fintech innovations include cryptocurrency and mobile payments. They are also expanding financial inclusion for unbanked populations. Global supply chains are being digitized with real-time tracking and automation. On-demand production and just-in-time distribution reduce costs. Online platforms facilitate global sourcing and comparison of suppliers. Technology is also used to mitigate risks and disruptions, enhancing supply chain resilience. The digital economy impacts developing countries by providing access to global markets and creating jobs in digital service sectors. However, challenges include the digital divide and lack of internet access. Digital platforms also empower women and marginalized communities. This section covers the future of work in the digital economy. The digital economy is driving the shift to remote and gig work. Remote work is enabled by digital tools like Zoom and Slack. The gig economy, supported by platforms like Uber and Fiverr, provides flexible work opportunities. Automation and AI are transforming industries, leading to both job displacement and creation. AI automates repetitive tasks efficiently. Meanwhile, there is a growing demand for new roles such as AI developers and data scientists. The demand for workers with strong digital skills such as coding, AI, and cybersecurity continues to grow. Soft skills like creativity, adaptability, and collaboration are also critical for success in the digital economy. Digital platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork are reshaping labor markets. They offer increased job matching efficiency and global access to talent. However, competition can drive down wages for certain jobs, creating inequalities. The future of work varies by industry. In healthcare, AI is transforming diagnostics. In finance, automation reduces some roles while increasing demand for cybersecurity experts. Manufacturing requires skilled technicians to manage robotic systems. This section explores the role of government and regulation in the digital economy. The government plays a crucial role through regulatory oversight to protect consumers and competition. It also invests in infrastructure development like broadband and 5G. Governments facilitate innovation through grants and partnerships, balancing growth with necessary regulation. Digital taxation presents global challenges for e-commerce. Value-added tax is imposed on digital services, and the OECD's global minimum tax targets large, multinational digital companies. Regulatory frameworks like GDPR and CCPA govern data protection. Antitrust laws address market dominance by big tech firms like Google, Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. Regulatory bodies monitor mergers and acquisitions to ensure market competition. Examples include EU fines for anti-competitive practices and US antitrust investigations. Intellectual property in the digital economy involves protecting copyright, patents, and trademarks. Challenges include piracy, unauthorized content distribution, and software theft. International IP laws and digital rights management technologies are essential for enforcement. Regulating online content requires balancing regulation and free speech. Censorship, such as China's Great Firewall, restricts online access. Digital rights movements advocate for privacy and free expression in the digital sphere. This part of the video explores the evolution and challenges of digital financial services and fintech. Digital banking automates traditional services using online platforms. Fintech improves financial services, including mobile payments and insurtech. Key trends include neobanks, open banking, and embedded finance. Mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay offer convenient, secure transactions via smartphones. Digital wallets like PayPal and Venmo store payment information. These innovations promote financial inclusion and faster, more secure transactions. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, such as Lending Club, enable direct lending and borrowing. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter raise funds from large groups. These models offer lower costs and increased accessibility, but face challenges like default risk and regulatory oversight. AI in fintech is used for fraud detection, customer service chatbots, credit scoring, and robo-advisors. Blockchain provides secure, transparent transactions and smart contracts. Both technologies are transforming traditional finance and enhancing efficiency. Fintech faces complex regulatory environments, requiring compliance with AML, KYC, and data protection rules. Cryptocurrency regulation addresses fraud and market manipulation. Regulatory sandboxes allow testing innovations. The future involves harmonizing global fintech regulations. Digital financial services and fintech are reshaping the global financial system. AI and blockchain offer immense potential, but must navigate regulatory challenges. The future will focus on innovation and harmonizing global regulations. Digital goods and services are non-rivalrous, meaning multiple users can consume them without depletion and have a near-zero marginal cost. They are highly scalable, offer instant delivery, and benefit from network effects, where value increases with more users. Pricing strategies for digital products include fixed pricing, dynamic pricing based on demand, and subscription models like Netflix. Other models are pay-per-use, freemium, and product bundling. Free goods generate revenue through ads and data monetization, exemplified by Google. The freemium model offers a free basic version with paid premium features. Conversion rates typically range from 2 to 5%, as seen with Spotify and Dropbox. Digital piracy, the unauthorized use of content, causes billions in revenue losses. Anti-piracy measures include digital rights management and international treaties like DMCA. However, cross-border enforcement of IP laws remains a challenge. Examples of digital product success include Spotify's freemium model and Netflix's streaming service. Conversely, failures include Quibi's streaming service and Google Glass's wearable technology.